Yeah, I mean, where unicorns are built and where businesses are growing are normally in the areas or where there's a huge customer need, where there is a huge risk which is addressed through the business. And I think climate is covering both of these. There is a huge need from a consumer point of view to address climate. Could be directly or indirectly. And then if you look at the World Economic Forum's 10 highest risks, short-term and long-term, climate, extreme weather, etc., are all there in the top. So I don't think you can find a bigger business opportunity than addressing these risks, which is then following by the consumer needs that are sort of connected to these risks. So climate is a crisis and it's an urgency. But from a business point of view, it's probably the best space that you can be in today to be a successful company. Because I don't see any other space today in the world where there is such a high need and where there is so much money pumped into and where a business can actually make a difference for people's lives, both short-term and long-term. So it's the best business place to be in, addressing these risks and the needs for people.